A very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome back to mathematics class. Students, in the previous video, we reviewed the concept, factors and multiples and find the factors, common factors, multiples and common multiples. Today we are going to continue same chapter and review the remaining concepts learned earlier. So let us quickly review. Now question number 5. Write the prime numbers between 1 and 20. Students, before writing the prime numbers between 1 and 20, let's recall what is prime number and what is composite number. Students, we noted numbers that have only two factors, namely 1 and the number itself are called prime numbers. We also know that numbers that have more than two factors are said to be composite numbers. So now let us solve question number 5 and write only the prime numbers between 1 and 20. Prime numbers between 1 and 20 are, students, we know that 1 is neither prime nor composite. So we don't have to write 1. Students, we know that 2 is the smallest prime number which has only two factors, namely 1 and 2. So we have to write 2. Students, we know that 3 is the smallest odd prime number which has only two factors, namely 1 and 3 itself. So we have to also write 3. Students, we know that 4 is the smallest composite number which has three factors, namely 1, 2 and 4. So we don't have to write 4 as 4 is a composite number. Students, we know that 5 is a prime number which has two factors, 1 and the number itself. So we have to write 5. Students, we know that all the even numbers are composite numbers except 2. So we can easily say that 6 is a composite number which has more than two factors. So we don't have to write 6 as we have to write only the prime numbers. 7 is a prime number. So we have to write 7. 8 is a composite number. So we don't have to write 8. Students, we know that 9 is the smallest odd composite number which has three factors such as 1, 3 and 9. So we don't have to write 9. 10 is a composite number. So we also don't have to write 10. 11 is a prime number. So we have to write 11. 12 is a composite number. So we don't have to write 12. 13 is a prime number. So we have to write 13. Students, 14, 15 and 16 are composite numbers. So we don't have to write 14, 15 and 16. 17 is a prime number. So we have to write 17. 18 is a composite number. So we don't have to write 18 as we have to write only prime numbers. 19 is a prime number. So we have to write 19. Thus, the prime number between 1 and 20 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. Now, question number 6. Draw the factor tree of 72. Students, before drawing the factor tree of 72, let's recall factor tree method. Students, we know that in factor tree method, we factorize the given composite number till we get all the prime factors. Students, so now let us solve question number 6 and draw the factor tree of composite number 72. Let us factorize 72. Multiplying 2 by 36, we get 72. Students, we know that 2 is a prime number. So, let's encircle 2. Whereas 36 is a composite number. Students, as 36 is a composite number, so let us factorize 36. Multiplying 2 by 18, we get 36, where 2 is a prime number. So, let us encircle a prime number 2, and 18 is a composite number. Students, as 18 is a composite number, let us again factorize 18. 2 into 9 are 18, where 2 is a prime number. So, let's encircle a prime number 2, and 9 is a composite number. Now, let us again factorize 9, as 9 is a composite number. 3 trees are 9. Students, we know that 3 is a prime number. So, let's encircle 3. Thus, prime factorization 72 equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Now, question number 7. Write the prime factors of 60 by division method. Students, before writing the prime factors of given number 60, let's recall prime factorization. Students, we know that prime factorization is the process of writing a composite number as a product of prime numbers. And there are two methods of prime factorization. They are division method and factor tree method. Students, we will write the prime factors of 60 by division method, as we have to prime factorize 60 by division method. Students, we know that in division method, we start dividing the given number by the smallest prime number 2. If the given number is even, and we keep on dividing till we obtain 1. So now, let us solve question number 7, keeping in mind divisibility test. Dividing 60 by smallest prime number 2, we get 30. Now, dividing 30 by 2, we get 15. Now, dividing odd number 15 by the next prime number 3, we get 5. Now, dividing a prime number 5 by a prime number 5, we get 1. Students, we know that when we obtain 1, we have to stop dividing. Thus, prime factorization of 60 equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5.